Hello, welcome back. Today I will talk about the different branches of microbiology, about the scope and importance of microbiology. In my previous video, I already explained about the introduction of microbiology, that what is microbiology, what is microorganisms, different type of microorganisms, and also about the history of microbiology, about the different inventions. So today I will talk about the branches. So there are two main branches of microbiology. One is pure science and another one is applied science. So in pure science, it contains the several branches. The first is bacteriology. It is the study of bacteria. Another one is mycology. That is the study of fungi. Another is protozoology. That is the study of protozoa. Another one is algology. That is the study of alga. Another one is parasitology, that is the study of parasites. Another one is genetics, it is the study of heredity and variations. The another type is applied science. There are several branches which comes under applied science, that is medical microbiology, industrial microbiology, food microbiology, soil microbiology, genetic microbiology, plant microbiology, pharmaceutical microbiology, and veterinary microbiology. Now, talking about medical microbiology, it deals with the diseases of human and animals. It identify and plan measures to eliminate agents causing infectious diseases. Another one is immunology. It is the study of immune system that protects the body from pathogens. Another one is agricultural microbiology. It is the impact of microorganisms on agriculture. Another one is food and dairy microbiology. It prevents microbial spoilage of food and transmission of foodborne diseases. Use microorganisms to make food such as cheese, yogurt, pickle, beer, etc. Another branch is industrial microbiology. By using microorganisms to make products such as antibiotics, vaccines, steroids, alcohols, and other solvents. It also contains the products like vitamins, amino acid, enzymes, etc. Now the another branch is genetic engineering. Engineered microorganisms used to make hormones, antibiotics, vaccines, and other products. Another is soil microbiology. So this is the branch of microbiology which deals with the study of soil and how the impact of soil. Another branch is pharmaceutical microbiology. It is concerned with the use of microorganisms for inhibiting contamination as well as development of pharmaceuticals. Another branch is veterinary microbiology. So it mainly focus on the diseases that is caused by the animals. Now, talking about the scope of microbiology. So it is used in diagnostic, that is isolation and identification of causative organism from the pathological resin. For example, Vidal test in typhoid fever to identify that either it is typhoid fever or not. So the test is done Vidal test. Another is prognosis of the disease. In Vidal test, rising titer signifies active disease and ineffective treatment, and falling of the titer means ineffective treatment and curing of disease. Now the another one is guidance in treatment. by culturing the organisms in pure form and then performing drug sensitivity tests that can suggest the effective drug for the treatment of that particular infection. Another is source of infection. In sudden outbreak of infectious disease, we can find out the source of infection. So microbiology has an impact on medicine, agriculture, food science, ecology, genetics, biochemistry, immunology, and many other fields. Many microbiologists are primarily interested in the biology of microorganisms, while others focus on the specific groups. As I already explained that the basic science and the applied one, the pure science and the applied one. So in the pure science, virology, study of viruses, study of bacteria, study of algae, fungi, protozoa. So all these comes under pure science. Now talking about the importance of microbiology, production of antibiotics, for example, penicillin from penicillium. Another is production of enzymes, vaccines, alcohols, biosurfactant, and other pharmaceutical products. Another importance is it is used for plant growth promotions, sterile product preparations, treatment of industrial waste and material, testing of pharmaceutical product and raw material, diagnosis of diseases and treatment, for example, ELISA and Vidal test. So this was all about the different branches of microbiology, about its scope and importance. Hope you understood. Thank you.